Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the drug protease inhibitors. Protease inhibitors include, we have first we have the drug atazanavir. The drugs are atazanavir, darunavir, tipranavir, nelfinavir, ritonavir, saquinavir and lopinavir and indinavir. See, these are the protease inhibitors which are important. Protease inhibitors are not used alone because of the resistance. These protease inhibitors mainly inhibit CYP3A4. Maximum inhibition is done by ritonavir. So this ritonavir is always added with other proteases, and this is called as this ritonavir being added to other proteases, we call it as ritonavir boosting. Other protease inhibitors metabolism is not inhibited, but other protease inhibitor metabolism is not inhibited. Then so other protease inhibitors are not inhibited by CYP3A4. Only the other protease inhibitors are also inhibited, but maximum inhibited is by CYP3A4. Right. Then we have the drug cobicistat. Cobicistat is actually a potent inhibitor of CYP3A4. So this is also added with protease and integrates. Then the drug which is least or has no inhibitory action is saquinavir. Saquinavir has least or no inhibitory action. Then if you see the side effects, in the side effects, first and foremost we have gastrointestinal side effects are most commonly seen, and we see that there will be bleeding risk also. This bleeding risk is maximum with tipranavir, ritonavir. This bleeding risk mainly includes intracranial bleed. Intracranial bleed is maximum with tipranavir and ritonavir. Then the other side effect is hepatotoxicity. Hepatitis is maximum with tipranavir and ritonavir, and this hepatotoxicity, here there can also be hyperbilirubinemia can also occur, which is maximum with atazanavir and indinavir. The side effect hyperbilirubinemia is maximum with atazanavir and indinavir. There can be cardiac conduction abnormalities which increases QT prolongation. Then we have lipodystrophy syndrome, which causes metabolic derangement. This lipodystrophy syndrome causes metabolic derangement also. Right. So because it causes metabolic derangement by mainly increasing the glucose, and it alters the lipid profile. So this lipodystrophy syndrome will result in central obesity, that is, it will result in Cushingoid features. Then it will also result in dorsocervical fat enlargement, that is buffalo hump formation. It is also results in breast enlargement. It also results in breast enlargement. So these are the main points for lipodystrophy syndrome. Then lipodystrophy syndrome is less commonly seen with atazanavir. It is less commonly seen with atazanavir. Then we have the drug atazanavir. Atazanavir is least associated with dyslipidemia or hyperglycemia. The main side effects of atazanavir include renal and gallstone formation. These side effects also include hyperbilirubinemia, and also decreased bone mineral density is also seen with atazanavir. Renal and gallstone formation, hyperbilirubinemia, decreased bone marrow density and increased PR interval is seen in ECG with atazanavir. This atazanavir is not given with proton pump inhibitors. Then the other drugs like tenofovir and efavirenz, these both will decrease the concentration of serum concentration of atazanavir. Then the So because they will decrease the serum concentration of atazanavir, so if used with these drugs, always and always we should boost it with ritonavir, right? Then the next important drug is indinavir. So indinavir, the side effect of indinavir is hyperbilirubinemia, and renal stones will occur as side effect of indinavir. This renal stones will result in formation of crystalluria, and it also causes acute renal failure. Interstitial fibrosis can occur, and also there is increased MI can also occur. Then the oral bioavailability of indinavir will also decreases with food. Then we have the drug tiprinavir. This tiprinavir is actually used only when other protease inhibitors are resistant. Tiprinavir is used when other protease inhibitors are resistant. Side effects of tiprinavir are it causes bleeding risk or intracranial hemorrhage. It also causes urticarial maculopapular rash occurs with tiprinavir. Then it causes hepatotoxicity, and this tiprinavir is the only non-peptide protease inhibitor. It is the only non-peptide protease inhibitor. Then we have the next drug, which is saquinavir. Saquinavir is associated with QT prolongation. And the next important drug, which is very important, is nelfinavir. Then we have nelfinavir. This nelfinavir is the only protease inhibitor for which ritonavir boosting is not recommended. Nelfinavir is the only protease inhibitor for which ritonavir boosting is not recommended. Then we have next drug, which is tesamorelin. There is one more drug, which is tesamorelin. This tesamorelin is a synthetic analog of growth hormone releasing factor. This tesamorelin is indicated to decrease excess abdominal fat in patients with HIV infected patients with lipodystrophy. It is indicated to decrease excess abdominal fat in HIV infected patient with lipodystrophy. So this is about the drug protease inhibitors. The next important drug in HIV therapy is we have integrase inhibitors. Okay, integrase inhibitors are include raltegravir, dolutegravir, elvitegravir. Raltegravir, dolutegravir and eltegravir. These integrase inhibitors are also among the first line. So in integrase inhibitor, that is integrase inhibitors. Then we have one more list of drugs. If there is HIV induced diarrhea, then we have to give octreotide or crofelemer, which is a cystic fibrosis transmembrane receptor inhibitors can be given. If it causes HIV induced lipodystrophy, then it can cause tesamorelin GHRH analog can be given. Tesamorelin GHRH analog can be given. If there is MAC infection in AIDS, in these cases, that is Mycobacterium avium complex infection in AIDS, we can give rifabutin, ethambutol can be given. Then we can give antibiotics like azithromycin or clarithromycin can be given. If not responding to fluoroquinolones, then we can give these drugs. So these are the important points about the protease inhibitors and integrase inhibitors. Thank you for watching.